In this question, we have a circle with center O and a point of tangency at P. What we want to know is the length in centimeters of OR, which is the hypotenuse located right here. So recall that when we have a point of tangency meeting a radius, which is what OP is, we form a right angle. So that gives us a right triangle in this context. So looking at what we have here, we have 5 centimeters, 12 centimeters, and those represent the legs of the right triangle. And we're looking for OR, which is the hypotenuse. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem for this. So what we would say is that 5 squared plus 12 squared should be equal to OR squared. Now 5 squared is 25, 12 squared is 144, and again, that's equal to OR squared. So that adds up to 169. And that's equal to the square of that hypotenuse. Now, if we want the length of the hypotenuse, we would need to take the square root of 169. And that'll give me the length of OR. And the square root of 169 is 13. The other option we had for this question would be to recognize that 5, 12 are both parts of what we call a Pythagorean triple. So 5 and 12 and 13 would be one example of a Pythagorean triple. The most common one you probably saw in class would have been 3, 4, and 5. And there are others that follow that pattern as well.